guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I have the kids working on school, so I thought I would pick up while they were able to do some of it themselves. And I did not reset my house last night, so it is a disaster, so I'm just cleaning up the mess now.
The love you throw around, I could never hold you down. One of us will have to take a bow. Feeling you so close to make me drive around. Everlasting love, so much to go around. You got me so high I can't come down. Below, and I'm still here, I'm freezing cold, but I will wait, I hold my breath till I turn blue. Never catching fire, 'cause you take me higher. You know you're everything that I ever desire. And we're crossing borders, not taking orders. And I like it like that. Even on broken watches, right 2 times a day. I took a chance and I was right in every way. For lack of anything better for me to say. Hey, I like you like that. Yeah, I like you like that. Yeah, yeah. Now I'm catching fire, 'cause you take me higher. You know you're everything that I ever desire. And we're crossing borders, not taking orders. And I like it like that. Like you like even on broken watches, right 2 times a day. I took a chance and I was right in every way. For lack of anything better for me to say. Hey, I like you like that. Yeah, I like you like that. Ooh, I like you like that. Yeah. I don't wanna be the girl, but I kinda need a word. Well, I'm into you. And all I know, it's been a long time. I was on the sideline waiting for you. We could go to California or anywhere you wanna. As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. And we don't need the drama, we'll find our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to, 'cause we can do anything we want to. And I can't help the feeling that I get when I'm next to you. Ooh, you just gotta make your mind up. Just give me a sign if you want a ride. They don't really wanna know, so we throw away our phones, go Bonnie and Clyde.
That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. And if you are new here, we'd love to have you subscribe. And I'll see you back here again in a couple days with a new video.
Nirvana, so run away with me tonight. 'Cause it